opinion say aye. As many as of that opinion say aye. As many as of the contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it.
Mimi Raila Amolo Odinga nimechoka.
Welcome to One Bold Brain. My name is Uma Brian. Karibu sana. Leo ni siku ya uchungu sana kwa members of ODM because finally the NEC has been able to remove Sifuna Edward from the position of the Secretary General. Mimi ndio Sifuna, amemaliza mwendo wake. Sifuna is somebody that I personally like because he has been consistent in his position as a member of ODM. Even when Raila Odinga was alive, whatever he was doing then is what he was doing now. So he is one of the most consistent politicians I know. Lakini wameona his position and his ways do not align with what his party bosses expect of him. So officially, the NEC has National Executive Council of ODM has officially removed Edwin Sifuna as the Secretary General of ODM. So they have appointed Catherine Omanyo, who is the woman representative of Busia County, as the acting Secretary General of ODM. And also, Caleb Amisi has also been replaced as the Deputy Organizing Secretary by Dr. Paul Otuoma, who is also the governor of Busia County. So it seems ODM ndio imefaidika na the current selections that have been made into the National Executive Council, and I think all these changes have all come from the rally that Edwin Sifuna, Babu Owino and James Orengo held in Busia County. It was a rally that I think rattled the top leadership of ODM and also top leadership of the nation. And I think they decided that they have to remove him, whatever the consequences. The consequences, tutajua mbele. Lakini for now, mimi ndio Sifuna, Secretary General of ODM, is officially out, and I think we will miss the person he was. He was a reliable person for them, especially he was eloquent, articulate, and he had, alikuwa na hizo vitu zote zenye watu nataka the leaders to have in terms of talking, and we wish him all the best. So ODM have decided to chart a new way with Catherine Omanyo as the acting Secretary General, and I think the Linda Wananchi rally in Busia really rattled the top brass in ODM. It really rattled them to the point that they decided that Sifuna basically had to go because they could not tolerate it anymore. Sifuna was pushing them from outside while he was inside. As Oburu Odinga said earlier, whatever we agree inside the meeting is what you are supposed to be talking out there. So it means that whatever the majority agrees in the next meeting, you do not have your own independent opinions out there. You have to go with what the party have said. And it seems Sifuna they were passing some things as majority, but Sifuna was not agreeing with them, so he was moving with what he thinks is right for the party. And I think it's a huge loss for ODM to lose Edwin Sifuna as Secretary General. I know he's still a member of ODM, and I don't know how he will respond to this, but I'm sure he will not say that he's leaving ODM. He'll accept it because of the person that he is, and he will continue fighting for the party now as a member, which I think is what all of us expected because this meeting in Mombasa was majorly organized so that they can be able to remove Sifuna in the party leadership. I think they're going to miss one of the best Secretary Generals in the nation that we have ever seen. He has been consistent, he has been a fighter, and even in the presence of Raila Odinga, he was always a man of his own mind, and Raila Odinga liked him for that, and I think the current leadership of ODM seems not to like people who have different opinions from their own. And I think that is a very bad thing for any party or any organization, because dissenting voices at the mtu anakupinga na kuonyesha njia nyingine yenye uone. it seems that the leadership wants to remain with those people who can be able to align to what they want. And what they want is to be able to join UDA and form an alliance, but they do not want the voice questioning them. So it seems that Sifuna is out. Amis also was sent a letter telling him that he will not be the deputy organizing secretary, which removes him from the NEC. That means that the ODM NEC now is only remaining with Osotsi. Osotsi, who is the only one remaining who opposes what the other leaders want. So I think if Osotsi does not draw the line, maybe in future they can remove him, but from what I read earlier is that he skipped the meeting in Mombasa. He was not in attendance. So I think the NEC is now fully constituted of people who all want the same thing. And I think that is a bad executive council. If you have people who have the same voices, you do not have those opposite voices in your executive council. So that is it. That is what is happening today. And we wish ODM all the best, but I think it is a huge loss to ODM to lose Edwin Sifuna as Secretary General, because I think he is one of the best Secretary General we have in the parties that we have in Kenya currently, because I do not think there is another SG that is like Sifuna. Sifuna was really like good one in articulating issues, in defending the party, in going all around in campaigns. He was really visible. People knew him. People identified with him. And I think they're losing a jump there in Sifuna. The interesting thing is that we now want to see how Babu Owino, Sifuna, and Orengo, Osotsi, and Amisi, we want to see the part that they will chat, because they are now just members of ODM, so they can still continue pushing for what they feel is the position of ODM, but now without the power to make the real decision. Being a member means you cannot make the decisions for the party. They are not now part of the governing executive council. So I think now the only way is to maybe call for the NDC, and the way things are being done now with Dr. Oburu Odinga and his team, I do not think that NDC will come, and even when it comes, it will come when all of them are maybe outside the party. But I think for me is that they will still remain in the party. They will still, I think, push for the changes that they were pushing for, and I think it will be a great political season for us, because if they can be able to form maybe another alliance, the likes of Osotsi, Amisi, Babu Owino, and Edwin Sifuna, if they can form the alliance, it can be a strong alliance. It can provide an alternative to what the other ODM is currently doing, and maybe they can push them to have a consensus later. But I think for now, the current leadership wants to go into UDA by force, by fire, and they have finally had their way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to One Bold Brain, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.